Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics 2. So first of all, let's discuss about the monophasic liquid dosage forms. Liquid meant for external administration, in that specially liquids to be instilled into body cavities. Nasal drops. Nasal drops are the solutions of drugs that are instilled into the nose with a dropper. They are usually aqueous because oil drops inhibit the movement of cilia in the nasal mucosa, and if used for long periods, they may reach the lungs and cause the damage. Recommended containers for nasal drops are colored fluted bottle fitted with a dropper in a plastic container, and special labeling instructions for nasal drop are for nasal use only. So now let's move towards actual experiments. So let's discuss in detail about experiment number 26. Title of our today's experiment is to prepare and submit nasal drops containing atropine sulfate 10 ml. This is the formulation of nasal drops. Learning objectives are to understand the purpose of nasal drops and its method of preparation and ability to prepare the nasal drop and label it correctly. Apparatus required are beaker, glass rod, funnel, measuring cylinder, filter paper. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given, that is equal to 10 upon 100 is equal to 0.1. Prescription is given over here: atropine sulfate 50 mg and normal saline solution 100 ml. Let's discuss about the formulation table type, that is the use of ingredient, translation, name of ingredient, quantity given in the imperial system for 30 ml, quantity given in the metric system for 30 ml, quantity taken in the metric system for 10 ml. So first of all, atropine sulfate used as a parasympathetic and action, it will give the parasympathetic action. Then quantity given in the metric system, that is 50 milligram, so multiply it with factor 0.1, we will get 5 milligram. Normal saline solution used as a vehicle and tonicity adjuster. Quantity given is 100 ml, so quantity taken for preparing 10 ml, quantity sufficient up to 10 ml. Direction: 2 drops to be placed in each nostril as directed. So for performing actual experiment, let's move towards laboratory. So now let's move for the performing actual experiment in laboratory. We have, this is atropine sulfate which is previously weighed, and this is sodium chloride from which we prepared this normal saline solution, as we taken 0.9 gram of sodium chloride in 100 ml of water, and from this we prepared this normal saline solution. So we are going to add this atropine sulfate into this normal saline solution. Then we are going to dissolve it. So after dissolving, now some particles are seen, so let's move for filtration. So our filtrate is ready. Take this filtrate and then we are going to make up the volume. So we make up the volume up to 10 ml. Now we are going to pour it into this container and then proceed for labeling part. So after filling our formulation in this container, let's proceed for labeling part. Nasal drop 10 ml. For ABC means name of patient, register number XYZ, that is number given in the register, dispensed by PQR means name of pharmacist, manufacturing date September 2020, storage stored in cool and dark place, shake well before use. This is the direction. One more direction: for external use only, specially for nasal use, as directed by physician. Manufactured by L&M Pharmacy Nasik. Here one can write the name of pharmaceutical industry. Result: the 10 ml of nasal drop is submitted in this colored fluted bottle. For special instruction on